Hey, 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 Nickie Brown here. No matter where you are, what part of the world you're in, I hope that you're having a good day. So, I come from a place where walking is normal, right? Even if you have a car, um, a lot of people would leave their car parked and walk to the bus stop um, and go to their destination or even take the bus to the train station. Um, 'Cause a lot of people work in New York, but um, where I live now, people aren't necessarily used to people walking, right? And so people assume you're selling something. And by something, you know what I mean, right? I'm not, I'm good. I'm just getting some exercise.